Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you 4 easy ways how you can open up Task Manager from your Windows 11 computer. Now, the first way how you can go about doing this, guys, and this is the most common way, is by simply pressing Ctrl Alt plus Delete, and you'll be able to see the Task Manager from the menus there, right? Now, the second way how you can do that as well, guys, is by simply holding Control Shift plus Escape on your computer, and that will open up the Task Manager as well. So 2 ways how you can use keys, right? Control Alt Delete and also Control Shift and Escape, and that will also open it. Now, there's 2 other ways you can do that. Now, the third way how you can do that, guys, is by simply right click on the Windows icon here on the taskbar, and you will see Task Manager. You can click on that and it will open up the Task Manager for you. And the final way and the fourth way is by right clicking anywhere on your taskbar, and once you do that you will see Task Manager as well. You can click on it and it will open up the Task Manager. Right? Very easy stuff, guys. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.